Hey guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the Chuck Taylor 70s Treks. Before we get into this review guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, we want to see those likes, it helps us with the algorithms. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. I just want to take this time, an opportunity to thank the subscribers new and old. Without you guys we can't do this, so thank you. Let's get into it. So today we've got a look at these limited edition, made in Italy Chuck 70s. And this is the Chuck 70s Limited High Egret Crafted Trek. Egret is the color that it is. And we got these in the UK size 7.5, it's European 41. And for those wondering what US size you are, unfortunately it's not here on the label, but it usually is size up to the UK. So a men's US size 8.5 is what to go for when you're looking at this UK 7.5. So unlike a lot of the traditional Converse boxes, this comes with the Converse limited edition sticker. You can see it at the top here. And these are very interesting. These are quite the buy. There we go. Not your traditional Chuck Taylor 70s right here. It's a hybrid of two shoes basically. So, I mean, you look at this, Chuck Taylor 70s is probably one of my favorite sneakers of all time. Check out those reviews, we've done tons of Chuck 70s reviews in the past, so I do recommend you check out our playlist. I share a lot of my love for Converses. This, however, I don't love so much, but it's unique. We'll leave it at that. So we'll start with the outsole. So this outsole is an EVA outsole. It's rugged, it's that lugged edges, like sharp teeth here. You can see it all around. And yeah, it's a couple of inches that elevates it here. You can see it right there. And it gives you that look of a traditional European hiking boot that you can see. I was going to say Dana, but Dana is more like a Red Wing. But you see those Italian hiking boots. For the life of me, I can't think of the name of the brands, but it just reminds me of this. It's even with this rubber sidewall here, but it's very traditional looking. The way that it's even stitched, you can tell that it was made in Italy. I mean, these sneakers were made in Italy. And we look at the upper. So this upper is your traditional Chuck Taylor 70s. So it's got the heavy canvas in this off-white egret colorway, but it comes in these bolt shoelaces. You can see it right here. You got your rubber tongue, not rubber tongue, the rubber toe box. You can see a lot of Chuck Taylor 70s and Chuck Taylor All-Stars, they will have that. You got the 70s branding on the Converse All-Star here on the medial side, and we look at the heel there as well. So obviously you can see it's just an extension, and you can see the 70s logo there in this black finish. This is a real conversation starter. I mean, I can't imagine loads of people just not looking. They're gonna want to look at your Chuck 70s and well, you're seeing this guy, I mean, this name's the Chuck 70s Trek. You can tell it here by this hiking boot inspired sole unit. It's very unique. I'm a big fan of Chuck 70s, but this is a whole nother level. I can't wait to try these on, just to show you what they look on and give you my thoughts, feelings and emotions. So roll out footage of me trying these Chuck Treks on. comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get your true to size Converse fit. These 7.5s do fit me. It was a bit difficult to get in because of the lacing. I think they should have just used normal lacing, but I understand what they're trying to do with the hiker look. Apart from looking at it from a side view, it just feels like a normal Converse. I mean, obviously I feel a bit elevated because of the platform, but I expect, when I look down, it looks like a pair of Converses just with weird laces. Maybe I'll throw on some normal Converse laces with these on. I get the appeal, but at the end of the day, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, it's not for me. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with Z at the end. That's on Instagram. Till next time, peace.